Here we have Jocelyn and Jackie playing the piano. And we have Julie somewhere. Where's Julie? There's Julie. Jocelyn, look at you. Does that mean Mommy's going to have to splurge for piano lessons? You like the piano? Look at you. Look at you, big girl. Make Mommy some sweet music, Jocelyn. Oh. And there's your other cousin. Oh, Jocelyn, that's amazing. Oh, Jocelyn, that's beautiful. Oh, you go, girl. Oh, no, you got to put your fingers on the keys so people think you're playing it. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, Jocelyn. Mommy's so proud of you. Your cousins taught you well.